Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be just taking a look at Chainlink. It was a crazy day, and I didn't even get a chance to look at the charts and make any real videos today. So this is probably going to be the only one I'll make. But good news, it's on Chainlink. I mean, like Chainlink is my third largest position in my portfolio. It's one of my biggest bets. Only behind Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing fairly well with a 17.5% move for this week. Chainlink coming in a little shorter at 14% against Bitcoin compared to Ethereum, and this is kind of the battle we're talking about here. We're talking about not the 50-week here, but we're talking about the 20-week moving average. We have been in a fight against the 20-week moving average for weeks ever since the beginning of the month, really. Beginning of the month, August 9th, week of August 9th, August 16th, August 23rd, and going into September, we have been fighting against this 20-week moving average. We know how important the 20-week moving average is. At least in the previous trends, the 20-week moving average has acted as substantial support and a potentially, in other words, like a buying period for Chainlink for the better part of the year, almost of a year. Chainlink has been below the 20-week moving average. We got above it briefly back in May, but we all know what happened in May. Bitcoin crashed. Bitcoin broke the 20-week moving average, and that was that. With that said, we are here fighting it out. It's been a gruesome battle, and hopefully we get some kind of confirmation at some point. When we talk about the US dollar, right? We talk about how like it's also fighting against the 20-week moving average. It's been above it, below it, above it, below it for the last number of weeks. Currently we're at $29.42. The real battle, I also think, is coming against the Link Ether chart. Okay, despite how amazing Chainlink has been doing the past few days, Ethereum has also been equally doing well, right? And you can see it against the ratio. We're still at this level. We're still fighting against that level, and we're probably going to continue to fight it, especially if Ethereum is going to continue to move like it has been this past week. And this is kind of the telltale sign. If I think if Link is able to break through its 20-week moving average against Ethereum, make this support and bounce off, Chainlink is off to the races. This I would call this to be one of the biggest bounces for Chainlink, and I would call it to be a substantial move. Okay, maybe not to $100 in a week, but substantial enough where it brings Chainlink back into the top 10. I think right now it's at like 14th place. So I think this bounce, should it happen against Link Ether, that is a bounce of a lifetime. And I would say that it would go about like into the top 10. I won't say how high in dollar terms. I mean, it's $30 now. If we see like a 100% increase, we're at $60, right? And that'll get us into the top 10, I think. But it's a gruesome battle. Chainlink did very well today, but I mean, we've seen moves like this in the past, right? We like July into August is a great example of that, and we came back down, and we're starting another rally of sorts the past few days now. So we want to see a continuation. We want to see support on the 20-day. We want to see a breakage of the 20-week and holding that as support, right? These are all the things that we're looking for. We have yet to see it from Chainlink, but I'm pretty confident it will give it to us at some point. Should I think if Chainlink stays around these levels for the next number of weeks, I will continue to increase my position on Chainlink. I'm slowing down now because we're at $30, right? I was accumulating from the 15, 16, 17, sub $20 range. So I don't want to necessarily increase my cost basis too much. So I am ramping it. I am ramping down my position buys for Chainlink, but I am still going to accumulate Chainlink, buying it with Bitcoin and or Ethereum, probably with Ethereum. With Ethereum, we're already approaching local highs, right? And we're almost at all-time highs for Ethereum. So this is something to be very interesting, right? If I think if Ethereum goes off and breaks its prior all-time high, then Chainlink is going to be chilling out. I don't think it'll be able to hit like keep up with Ethereum. It would still probably rally against Bitcoin, but at that point, Ethereum would be the better play short term. But we all have but time to wait. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.